In this video, we'll try to create a shapes table, and in the shapes table, first we'll create the shapes table, and also later on we'll add a couple of custom rows. Let us go to modeling tab and click on modeling tab and click on new table. So once we have that, we can create a new table. So I was just thinking, we have a shapes column in our UFO sightings dataset. So let us try to grab those values from that table. So let us try to use values function and try to get those distinct values from the shapes column. That way we have a separate table which has all the shapes. So let us try to name that as shapes table. Since we are trying to add custom rows, let us try to name it appropriately. We'll say that shapes table with custom rows. And the first step, we'll try to just create a simple table by using values function. We'll create that table values, and let us try to grab the shape column from our UFO sightings. Close the parenthesis and commit to it. Once we commit, we have the table. So this is the new table. And if you see in the table view, we have those values. I think there are 25 shapes, so you can see all those shapes. So now that this is out of the way, next step is we want to add custom rows. There are a couple of methods which where we can add custom rows to this table. So let us try to use one of those methods, and let us try to go back to our table, and let us try to modify this. Let us use union function. As you can understand, union, we can add two tables. So we know that this is the first table, values UFO shapes, this is the first table. And let us use a row function. And row function, we expect a name and an expression. It returns a single row table. So let us create the name as shape. And also let us try to create the new row. Let us name it as other spin. So that way we have those that particular row on the bottom. So other shapes, and also this is another way of adding another row. So we use the table constructor and try to use grand total. So this way we have two rows which we have added these custom rows to the table. So as you can see on the bottom, you can see those things, other shapes and grand total. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.